Okay guys, happy Easter to all of you. It's Easter Monday here in Koh Samui, and as you can see it is frightfully hot. I am perspiring. It's about 38 Celsius here. But we're here, we're relaxing, the markets are shut and we're enjoying some sun and pool time. But what we want to do is we want to cover what happened in March. So remember, at the beginning of March we came up with 8 high probability trades that we're going to set up on specific times and specific dates. Now all of those trades have won 100% win rate for March. You might be thinking that is an impressive return, but this is pretty normal for the mentorship program here at Magnetic Trading. Why is that? Because these trades are linked to market function. So if you don't know what market function is, it's what is happening behind the scenes to make markets operate in the first place. So many years ago here at Magnetic Trading, we decided to, instead of focusing on technical analysis and fundamental analysis, we looked at strategies that were linked to actually how the market operates. And that's why we are so successful with our programs here at Magnetic Trading. So we've been taking you through the different types of trades in March. We've talked about the dividend trade, we've talked about the expiry trade. Today I'm actually going to talk to you about the end of quarter trade for the FTSE. We're going to go over the charts very shortly. We're going to cool down. We're going to talk about why that trade has a really high success rate. But I pose the question to you today: how many trades are you taking every day? How many trades are you taking every week? Are you successful? Certainly in trading, less is more. You shouldn't be trading every single day. The markets will not present you with a high probability opportunity every day. Here at Magnetic Trading, we wait for the best opportunities. We tell our clients to wait for their best opportunities, and they link on to very high probability trades. Now, if you want to increase your money, all you do is increase your leverage or your dollar or pounds per point on each trade. You don't need to be opening more trades. So for April, again, we have a collection of trades that we'll be setting up at specific times and dates. We're going to just wait for them. We're going to go in and risk a good amount so we can make a good reward, and we're expecting another great April. So the mentorship program is open for another few weeks, and then we're closing it off. They are our best trades, it's our trade plan, we mentor you along the way, and if you want to create a side income, this is the way to do it. It's lifestyle trading. We certainly don't expect you to be looking at the screens all day long. We support you with a phone app which reminds you when these trades are setting up, and all you do is incorporate these trades into your own daily lifestyle plan. Again, there may be only 5 trades a month, or there could be up to 10 trades a month. So this is even more important because of the COVID pandemic that we've had. Unfortunately, we're hearing so many stories of people that have lost their businesses because they're so reliant on government and things like pandemics. Trading is such an amazing business that you don't need to rely on outside forces. It's recession proof. If things are really bad, things are really good, you can make money. Now is a really important time to take charge of your income and get a business that is not reliant on all these outside forces that really are just stressing us out. So let's go to the screens now. Let's talk about this end of quarter trade, and let's educate you on why it's such a successful trade.
Okay, so here we are looking at a FTSE chart. Now each of these candles represents 5 minutes of action. What we're looking at is we're looking at the 31st of March UK time. This is actually Australian time, but 31st of March UK time, the last 5 minutes of action. So this time here is actually 4:25 UK time, but in Australia it was early in the morning on the 1st of April. Now this does set up early in the morning Australian time, but again, this trade is highly successful. It only sets up once every quarter, so it means you'd have to get up early if you're in Australia 4 times a year, but it only lasts 5-10 minutes and then you can go back to sleep again. So it's highly worth just setting your alarm clocks to execute this 4 times a year, and this can add a nice amount of profit onto your trading account. Now of course there are multiple trades for this as well. Not only do we do this on the FTSE, we do this on the ASX, and we do it on the Dow Jones. So we had 3 of these trades on the 31st of March setting up, and all 3 of them won. So there is a multiplier effect on this account. Now just those 3 trades alone, taken once a quarter, would give you far more greater returns than some of these hedge funds out there. So it's food for thought. So this particular trade, what we're doing is we're expecting profit taking from the funds to come in during the last 5 to 10 minutes of action on the FTSE and into the auction period. It's different on the ASX, it sets up at a different time, and slightly different on the Dow Jones as well. But for the FTSE, we're looking for a slide down in the last 5 minutes. So you can see this is the open of the candlestick here. In the last 5 minutes, we can see it was 67.37. So we were looking to really sell, in this case, 7 points below there. We actually wait for a signal to trigger us in, because sometimes this can squeeze up. So we do wait for the market to move lower before selling the market. And then literally we rode this all the way down for a really nice profit. And then actually what happened there is then there's 2 trades connected to this system. We then look to buy, because the next day we've got the first of the month, which is when pension money comes in to the market. So then we're expecting the market to rise. So not only are we looking for pension money to be sold, fund managers to be getting rid of bad stocks and also taking profits in the last 5 minutes during the last quarter, we're then actually looking to buy straight away if it's a big move down to take advantage of the first of the month effect. So it's a double whammy here, and we had 2 trades here, all completed very, very quickly. And again, we'll be doing this in June for the next quarter. So you'll see some of the results from our clients on this trade. And yeah, if you're not getting on board the end of quarter trades, they are available within the mentorship program. They're set up every quarter. There's 3 of them. If you just traded these trades every quarter, you'll be doing very well.